Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my page, Money Making Juggernaut. I'm your host, Eric Richardson, the #1 educator in the asset recovery and surplus funds business space. Today, I'm going to reveal how you can start your asset recovery business with $0. That's right, guys. It's possible to launch a successful asset recovery business with no out-of-pocket expenses. You might be wondering, how in the world can you do that? Today, I'm going to break that down for you. All right, so if you're somebody that's looking to get started in this business, and you don't have a lot of capital or not much money to invest in this business, then you're gonna want to pay attention to this entire video. All right, so go ahead, I'll give you some time, go get your pen, go get your paper, because today I am revealing some gems and it's going to be very useful. All right, so for starters, the reason why we could actually do this business with zero cost is because all of the leads are online for free. All right, that's true, guys. Unlike typical industries, the leads are online for free. This is all public information. So I want you to do a very simple Google search. You're going to put in surplus funds, you're going to put in excess funds, excess proceeds list, and then you'll be able to see all of the leads online from a county's database. Now, not every single county is nice enough to give us this information, but there's more than enough counties that you can go ahead and get started with. There's actually probably over 100 counties on Google's site. If you go through all of their pages, you'll be able to find those lists. So once you find this lead list, now we're starting, guys. All right, so in order to operate this business, we have to know who's entitled to funds. It's a pretty simple business. We see who's entitled to funds, we see what the property was that got foreclosed, and we see how much they're entitled, and then we just reunite them with the money. All right, guys, so the first step is getting those leads. So like I mentioned, that is for free. All right, another strategy that you can do is you can email or call the county for a list, and they'll actually supply that to you typically for free as well. There might be some counties that might charge you for this, but majority of the time you can get it for free. And in this video, I am helping you guys do this business for free. All right, now we actually have to get a deal done. You might be saying, well, how can we get a deal done with $0, with no money? Guys, you can skip trace somebody for free. Now, the free route isn't always the most effective route, but if you are looking somebody up on truepeoplesearch.com, it is free and you will get some contacts. All right, so if you do some skip tracing, you'll be able to see an individual, get some phone numbers, get some emails, maybe get a mailing address, maybe a social media, and you can contact them for free. All right, once again, it's not the most efficient, but it is something that you can do for free. All right, so after you skip trace, now you have the phone number. Now we need to communicate, and if you have a phone, all you have to do is pick up that phone, dial it, and give them a call. Now, once we get on the phone and we give them a call, we have to accurately explain. If you guys are an active subscriber on my YouTube channel, you'll see that I have many scripts, many call scenarios showing you exactly how you need to communicate with these individuals. So you can just go ahead and watch one of my YouTube videos, learn how you need to talk to them, and then that's how you're going to communicate. All right, so we're getting the leads for free, we're skip tracing for free, and we know how to communicate to them for free because you guys are subscribers to my channel. Now we actually have to close the deal. How can we do this for free, you might ask? Well, majority of the time on county sites, they have what's called claim instructions, filing instructions, where they're going to show you step by step exactly what's necessary. Now, typically you're going to have a claim form directly from the county. You're going to need a deed document, and then you're also going to need proof of identification. Now, if you're looking to assist them as a third party, you're going to need some additional forms. Those forms are included in my course. If you do not have my course, maybe you can find some forms on Google, or you can type up your own type of service agreements, assignment of interest, forms like that, but you can still get it done. You're going to need some wherewithal, you're going to need some knowledge, you're going to need to be cerebral and intelligent, but you can get it done for free. All right, anytime you're getting something for free, you're not sacrificing money, you're sacrificing your intelligence and your time. So if you can do that, then you can definitely get this business done. All right, so if we take all those strategies that I just mentioned, which cost you $0, you actually can file a claim. Now, when it comes to fully doing this business, you could use a pen and paper and do that for free as well, but I do recommend using a CRM. Now, this is not an efficient strategy, but it is something that you can do if you're looking to get started and you don't have the funds. Maybe you want to go ahead and get started now because you've watched so much of my YouTube videos and I'm giving you so much knowledge for free and you feel like you know enough. Go ahead, apply yourself, get on the phone and start taking action. Once you get that first deal, come back to my page and give me a shout out, because you guys know that I'm giving you the tips and tricks so you can be successful in this business. Speaking of being successful in this business, you guys know that my course is the #1 course in this space. I have the most student testimonials, the most success stories, and you can be the next one. If you want to learn step by step exactly how to operate this business and learn from somebody who is still actively doing this business, check out the link in the description. You're gonna have over 60 lessons in the course. You're gonna get documents, you're gonna get videos, you're gonna get everything necessary to be successful. But most importantly, you have my mentorship, and you also have access to the Facebook group, which is a community with like-minded individuals that are gonna push you and motivate you so that you can achieve success in this business. And also, as a token for staying this long watching this video, make sure you use the promo code TAKEACTION. All together, guys, no spaces, take action. You'll receive $100 off. I'm looking forward to helping you out. Thanks for watching.